Sex from behind is when partners face the same direction with one partner behind the other. There are many ways to have sex from behind. They are part of a group of sex positions known as rear entry. The key is for the giving partner to be behind the receiving partner. Sex from the behind has been around for as long as humans have been having sex. In ancient Rome, this position was known as cutus morpherorum, which in Latin means sexual intercourse in the manner of wild beasts. The ancient Indian text Kama Sutra refers to it as the cow position or the congress of a cow. Today, you are likely to hear it is called doggy style. According to a Women's Health poll, many men list it as their favorite sex positions. How sex from behind works. Doggy style is the traditional sex from behind position. The receiving partner is in front of the giving partner and bends over or gets on all fours. The giving partner penetrates their vagina or anus. Benefit of sex from behind. Having sex from behind lets you experiment with a wide variety of entry points and positions. It also provides an ideal angle to stimulate the vaginal G-spot and lets the giver control the depth of penetration. How to try sex from behind positions safely. Communication is important when trying new sexual positions. Make sure the lines of communication are open between you and your partner to ensure they know what is going and to reduce the chance of injury. One study showed that it was responsible for over a quarter of penile fracture. When thrusting, make sure to keep the head of the penis inside the vagina or anus to avoid it slipping out and being in against your partner's backside.